Need to keep wires out of the way? Magnetic zip ties are the answer. Our powerful magnets are a fantastic way to secure items with metal or steel surfaces. Cable ties or zip ties are one of the fastest and easiest ways to secure things like wiring, rope or power leads. Now you can use a magnetic cable tie holder that combines both these handy features in one convenient product from AMF Magnetics. Use our magnetic cable tie attachment products to attach power leads, lighting cables, or any other type of accessory to steel fencing, sheds, workshops or vehicles. The cable tie mount fitting allows you to attach items securely to the magnet and keep them away from the ground or any areas considered hazardous. The rubber coating around the powerful magnet ensures the surface to which it is attached is not damaged in any way, a wonderful alternative to screws and nails. Whether you work in an office, a factory, a construction site or at home, you are sure to find a practical use for these handy cable tie magnets from AMF.